Hi Shivani, thank you for coming all the way. Please tell us what is your reason to be here.
My reason to be here is I'm a citizen of this country, and the only thing which I see this protest is all about need to set up accountability. If you are responsible for something, you must take accountability. आपको आपने गलती की है तो आपको उसका खमियाजा भुगतना चाहिए. अगर आप क्रेडिट लेने को तैयार हो अपनी अच्छी चीज़ों का, तो जो गलत हुआ है उसका अकाउंटेबिलिटी भी लीजिए. There are lot of crowd here seeking the same. There's lot of people who are suffering. I'm a professional, 45 years old. So, it doesn't affect me, but it affects me as a nation because this cannot go on. That's it.
So the primary agenda is about the education system here.
Yes,
right?
that is the beginning.
Yeah, so what difference do you see about the education which has been at your time and the one that is existing right now? And what is it that you would expect for the future?
Well, at my time, it was not the best, I will say, but it was not this bad also. It was all right. We all were educated well. Public education system, I'm a government school, pass out, and it was fine. It was not this bad. Now, तो it is like, आप CBSE ले लो, आप entrance exams ले लो, आप UPSC ले लो. Imagine you are selecting the cream of this nation and you are doing all these things. I mean, it's just not done. It's gone down like anything. It's really very bad. The only thing is that you have to understand the importance and please decentralize education in the real way. It is a state subject. I do not know why all the laws are made by central government. It's a state subject. Let the states decide. Moreover, let the districts decide. Let them decide what is important for them, what is it. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन करोगे तो करप्शन भी कम होगी और एजुकेशन का क्वालिटी भी अच्छा होगा. आप ऊपर से बैठ के आपको पता भी नहीं है कि एक हिमाचल के रिमोट गांव को क्या चाहिए भाई. आप वहाँ बना देते हो, फिर वहाँ बच्चे नहीं आते हैं तो फिर आप कहते हो बंद कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच शुड लुक एट. एजुकेशन अगर स्टेट सब्जेक्ट है तो उसको स्टेट के ऊपर ही रहने दो. आप मत बनाओ उसको. NEP बना इतनी देर से पहले से 2020 अभी तक तो लागू नहीं हुआ. तो वो चीजें आपको देखनी पड़ेंगी ना. दैट इज देयर. इट्स नॉट अगेंस्ट एनी गवर्नमेंट और एनीथिंग. नो, इट्स ऑल अबाउट सेटिंग अकाउंटेबिलिटी. दैट्स इट. जिम्मेदारी लीजिए और इसको ठीक कीजिए. बस दैट्स इट.
So what do you think are the solutions? What are the actions, steps the government can take in order to improve the education system and for the betterment of the country altogether?
Transparency, please. Let us know what is happening. Transparency. Once transparency is there, everything will improve. अपने आप improve हो जाता है. जब सबको पता चलता है वो अपने आप improve हो जाता है. That is for starters. Please start with transparency. कहाँ हो रहा है, किस एजेंसी को आपने दिया है, और please privatize करना बंद करो. NTA is a private agency. Don't do that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.